Hello and welcome to 110 Windstone Drive here in Columbia. This is a 3-bedroom, 2.5-bath townhome. Very nice home, all wood floorings. Inside also you have your 1-car garage and also your backyard with patio. Let's go take a look. Alright, we are now in the backyard. You have your patio right there and also your slide door that leads into the dining room portion of the home. Here you have your AC unit, and also that's the back of the home. And you have this tall white fence that kind of loops around. Alright, let's go take a look inside the home. Alrighty, we are now inside of the home. You have your hardwood floors, and it is hardwood floors throughout the entire home. Gives it a really nice feel as well. As soon as you come in, you have your door right here to the left, and that leads to the garage. And also you have your stairs right here. And all the bedrooms are located upstairs. Right here to the left is just an extra closet. As you can see, you have your fireplace and the rest of the living room right here. But this door right here to the right is the half bath. And you have your single vanity right there and also mirror. And then you have your toilet right here. And right here you have your thermostat and also your fireplace right here. There you have your ceiling fan, and it is controlled by a remote right there on the wall. Pretty decent size window that looks out into the side of the home. And straight through there you have your kitchen, which is kind of in the shape of an L. And also you have your dining room right here. And a nice red that complements the colors also for the appliances inside. And this was the slide door that I mentioned earlier that leads out into the patio. And then you have your kitchen. A very nice black accent that goes with the wood cabinets and also the stainless steel appliances. There you have your built-in microwave, your smooth top stove, and also the dishwasher right here. And right in front of the dishwasher, you have your pantry. And there you have your refrigerator. And it goes back around here. We're going to make our way back through the living room, and we're going to take a look at the bedrooms upstairs. Alright, as soon as you come upstairs, straight to the left, you have your second thermostat right here that controls the upstairs temperature. And then you have your washer and dryer connections. And you also have your your shelving space right there for your laundry room. This door right here, that leads to the master bedroom, which we'll save that for last. Other two bedrooms and bathroom is this way. Here is bedroom number 1. You have your ceiling fan right here. Also a view of the backyard, and also there's another condominium over there across the street. Then you have your double door closet. All right, coming out of bedroom number 1, you have bedroom number 2, which is right beside it. Same layout, but you have these different colors right here. It makes it pop really well. Then you also have your ceiling fan right there. Also, same view from this window as bedroom number 1. And you also have your double door closets right here as well. Coming out of bedroom number 2, you have your bathroom, which is located right here. Yep, nice flooring as well. Then you have your single vanity sink. Also a pretty good sized mirror. Also you have your lighting above the mirror. And then you have your toilet and tub and shower combo. And we're going to make our way back through the hallway. Straight forward is the master bedroom. Very nice blue in this bedroom. Very inviting color. You have your ceiling fan right here, and also a pretty large window that looks out into the front of the neighborhood. It is hardwood in here as well. And as soon as you come off the entry into the master bedroom, you have your walk-in closet right here as well. Same blue inside, and also the hardwood in there as well. Also you have a mirror, a body mirror right here. And we'll give you a view of the other side right here. And the door to the left is the master bathroom, which we're going to go ahead and take a look at. Here is the master bathroom. Pretty large mirror right here. And also you have your single vanity as well. Same style of flooring you have in here as the bathroom in the hallway. And then you have your garden tub right here. And also your stand-up shower. Also a pretty neat design in the glass right here. And right next to that you have your toilet. And back to the stand-up shower. And that concludes our video tour of this home. This is a 3-bedroom, 2.5-bath home located here in Columbia, maybe about 5 minutes away from Harbison. If you need any information, definitely go to our website, which is turnerproperties.com. Again, that's turnerproperties.com. If you have any questions, give us a call at the office. Number is 803-407-8522. Bye-bye.